So it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and I just wanted to take a video of things going around my place. Here's my jelly feeder for the Orioles. I fill this thing twice a day. It's just ridiculous. If you look up there, that's a eastern phoebe nest. She just left. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful that nest is. It's just beautiful. I don't like to bother her, but I've never seen an eastern phoebe egg. Oh, little white eggs. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got five nest eggs in there, babies. Okay, so I'll let her go and do her thing. There's my hummingbird feeder. There's part of my box turtle enclosure that's overgrown. I gotta get in there and take care of that. This is supposed to be the waterfall of my pond, which isn't up and running yet. So let me step down here. I got a robin nest right around the corner from the phoebe. There's another one of my ponds. That's the filter. I got some young map turtles in here. This is the blossom for my devil's tongue. So I think we're gonna go over and see the bees. See what they're doing this morning. If they're active already. Oh yeah. We got a few getting ready to come and go. Out and about, scouting around. As it warms up, there'll be more. This is the rest of my box turtle enclosures. I keep about 20 box turtles in here during the summer months. There are my martins in my backyard. Pretty active this morning. This house right here, that's a trap house. It's just for house sparrows and starlings. The martins don't go near it because of the tree. That thing in the early spring just catches house sparrows like there's no tomorrow. So we don't have any problem. Notice you don't hear any incessant cheeping. This is my house in my front yard. It's kind of quiet this morning, at least in the front. Got somebody bringing in some green leaves right there. Right into the gourd. There's another one there on the left. It's got some green leaves. Not a lot of subadults here yet, but I haven't been really watching them like I normally do. Yeah, this is in my front yard. All right. Well, let's take a look, see what's going on in the back. waiting for the ground to dry because I gotta cut grass. A lot of birds here. There's a subadult female. Mornings are always a busy time. I love to sit out on my back porch in the morning with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and just watch it for a little while before I start my day. Yeah, there's a lot of activity today. No bluebirds yet. I haven't had bluebirds in 3 years. I hope to get some this year. There's a, I see it over there. That's a nesting platform there, so they don't have to go on the ground. That doesn't stop them from going on the ground, but you put the appropriate stuff in there. They use it quite a bit. Okay. Well, I best start my day. I could fart around here all day, but I got things to do. We got some fighting going on. Yeah, that one on the far right, that's a subadult female for sure. They like to hook up with the older boys that don't have a girlfriend yet. They like those older guys. All right. There's a little homestead with my out of control grass. Those are my pigeons there in the back. Gotta get to them too. All right, so much for Animal Auschwitz. 8 minutes and 30 seconds is usually enough.